Hey guys, I'm going to give you a hint. This is how to hit a home run. Go to Aldi's and get this right here, cauliflower pizza. Awesome. Unfortunately, I can't take credit for this idea. I'm stealing it from my old buddy, Ty Barnes. Okay? Put some pepperoni on it. You go and get some Canadian bacon. Okay? You put a little extra Canadian bacon on here. Okay? Are you watching? Have you got this down? This is going to hit you a home run. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Okay. Olives. Black olives, green olives, whatever you like. Throw those on. You know? Like anything, you can never use too much what you like. What I'm doing is showing you how to make you a pizza that's cheap, it's great tasting, and your wife will love it. Okay. This right here you go. Pineapple. Yes. You just put it on everywhere. You know? You just be crazy with it. You know, it's another thing. You cannot use too much. Okay? Then you go the mozzarella. And you put extra cheese. You know, cheese is like anything. You can never have too much. You know? What I'm doing here is trying to make a pizza for under $10 that tastes like a million. And there you have it. This is called the Friday Night Special. And it's under $10. Your wife will love it. You will love it. You will be a hero. And it's under $10. Yeah!